It's tricky to define world's biggest PC build as that can refer to different things. Raw processing power. This would involve the most high-end components, latest CPUs like the Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen, Threadripper PRO known for their many cores, multiple top-tier GPUs such as NVIDIA's RTX 4090 or the latest AMD Radeon RX series cards, massive amounts of RAM and ultra-fast SSD storage. These kinds of builds are often seen in workstations for professional video editing, 3D rendering, or scientific simulations. Physical size. Some enthusiasts build extremely large PCs with custom cases, often for aesthetic reasons or to accommodate elaborate cooling systems. These builds can involve custom water cooling, multiple monitors, and extensive RGB lighting. Server farms, data centers. On an industrial scale, the biggest PCs are server farms and data centers, which are massive collections of computers working together. These are used by companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft to power their online services. Here's a breakdown of what country